Recruitment for Facility Management for Oman. Client's final interview at Chennai on 15th of April 2023 at our office. All the position must have experience in building maintenance, facility management. Salary, best in industry plus accommodation and other benefits. Hvac technician, 50 numbers. Diploma, ITI or equivalent with 3+ years experience in maintenance of Hvac. Gulf experience is added advantage. Multi-technician, 60 numbers. Diploma, ITI or equivalent with 3+ years experience. Experience in maintenance of Hvac, plumbing and electrical. Gulf experience is added advantage. Hvac Maintenance Supervisor, 5 numbers. Diploma, ITI with 5+ years experience in maintenance of Hvac. Gulf experience is must. Able to lead a team. Housekeeping Supervisor, 5 numbers. Any degree with 5+ years experience as Housekeeping Supervisor. Gulf experience is must. Crescent Careers. Approved by Government of India under Ministry of External Affairs. Amirta Vertical Bar Executive Recruitment. Mobile, +91 73 38 75 8555. Landline, +91 44 45 01 60 60. Submit your CV by email to hr2@crescentcareers.com. To know about us, visit www.crescentcareers.com. Address, office number 1 and 4, 4th floor, Golden Enclave, number 275, Poon Malay High Road, Kilpork, near Taylor's Road Signal and opposite Ega Theatre, Chennai. PIN code 600010. India. To get our updated jobs, join WhatsApp +91 73 38 75 85 55. Our job portal https://jobstoabroad.com. Telegram https://t.me/crescentcareers. WhatsApp group https://chat.whatsapp.com/jdlqicrx29su4nnn. Join our Facebook group https://www.facebook.com/groups/811256013767131/. Our blog https://jobstoabroad.blogspot.com/. Subscribe and follow our YouTube channel for overseas recruitment https://www.youtube.com/jobstoabroad.